Hello friends, today we discuss about China using road construction to encroach on land. Nepal report. The report prepared by Survey Department of Agriculture Ministry of Nepal shows a list of 11 places, of which China has encroached on 10 places comprising about 33 hectares of Nepali land. China is using increased road construction in Tibet to encroach on Nepali land and may set up border outposts in these areas in the future, says a Nepal government report accessed by ANI. The report, prepared by Survey Department of Agriculture Ministry of Nepal, shows a list of 11 places, of which China has encroached on 10 places comprising about 33 hectares of Nepali land by diverting the flow of rivers which act as a natural boundary. The Chinese government is widely expanding its road network in so-called Tibet Autonomous Region (TA), because of which some rivers and its tributaries have changed their course and are flowing towards Nepal. The flow of rivers is gradually receding the Nepalese territories, and if it continues to remain so for some more time, it would cede the maximum portion of Nepal's land towards TA, the document obtained by ANI states. A total of 10 hectares of land has been encroached on in Humla district as Chinese construction works diverted Bagdare Khola River and Karnali River. 6 hectares of Nepali land has been encroached on in Rasuva district as the construction work in Tibet brought diversions in Sinyan, Burjuk and Jambu Khola. Likewise, a total of 11 hectares of Nepal land is already claimed by China for falling in Tibet with the diversion of Kharan Khola and Bhot Kosi in Sindhupal Chowk district. Chinese road construction in Tibet also has diverted the flow of Sumjing, Kam Khola and Arun rivers of Sankhuva Sabha district, resulting in the encroachment on 9 hectares of Nepali land. The document has warned that Nepal would lose more lands if proper steps are not taken in time. If the receding of land by rivers continues, then hundreds of hectares naturally go towards TA. There is a high possibility that over a period of time, China may develop border observation post (BOP) of its armed police in those territories, the document states. After the survey in the 1960 and erection of pillars to determine the boundary with China, Nepal has not initiated any further steps to secure its border. A total of 100 pillars were erected on the northern side of the border with China, while with India the number of pillars stands at 8,553. In recent times, the world has witnessed an escalation in China's territorial aggression on all sides of its border. Its actions led to a violent standoff with India near Ladakh. It has had standoffs with Vietnam and Malaysia in the South China Sea, pressurized Taiwan with nighttime drills in Taiwan Strait, and threatened Australia with the boycott of wine, beef, barley, and Chinese students. Beijing has also brought in a new law, Hong Kong security law, to increase its control on the semi-autonomous city despite strong protests. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Jai India.